Now introducing Mallory, a junior communications major who also serves as president of the Public Relations Student Society of America at UIndy. Just one of 80 clubs and activities students can join. Who better to tell us about the many opportunities for students to get involved at UIndy? Take it away, Mallory.
Thanks, Alex. Before coming to UIndy, I had no idea where I wanted to go to college or if I wanted to go at all. But after my UIndy campus tour, I knew this was the place for me. Since I've arrived, I've made the most of my experience by getting involved in many of the numerous campus organizations and clubs here at UIndy. There are so many opportunities on UIndy's campus to get involved. These also allow you to gain professional and real-world experience while making friends and lifelong memories. As a communication major, I'm lucky enough to serve as president of UIndy's chapter of Public Relations Student Society of America. When matched with my academic experience, this organization and our student-run PR firm, Top Dog Communication, helps me connect with fellow students and PR professionals so I can continue to learn and grow in my industry. UIndy has over 80 registered student organizations. If you don't see one that fits your passions, you can create one like I did. I founded Global Greyhounds, a campus organization for students who are passionate about studying abroad. The moment I stepped on campus, I felt like I had a community of support. This came from not just the organizations, but events like homecoming, Pack the House, and midnight breakfast. When you arrive at UIndy, you'll find me on the sidelines as a part of UIndy's cheer team. Grady the Greyhound and I can't wait to cheer you on as part of our UIndy family. For all the amazing things in my future, I owe a really big thank you to UIndy for giving me the space and tools I need to really succeed in every aspect I want to. UIndy is more than just a college to me. It will always be a home. Back to you, Alex.
Great job, Mallory. It's so cool to hear how UIndy student organizations offer something for everyone. Just check out the activity fair in the fall to find some organizations that interest you. Thanks again for sharing your story.